Okay, this is a test of the Panasonic TM900 camcorder. Trying to demonstrate the fan noise that you can hear on this camcorder when you're shooting in a very quiet environment. Camcorder's just been switched on. It sounds fairly quiet at the moment. I think the fan's starting to ramp up a little now. Now what I'm going to do, the moment the viewfinder is open, the screen is open, I'm going to close that and we should hear the fan increase in pitch. So now we have the screen closed, and now it's open again, like the viewfinder. Now we're going to zoom in to see if we can hear any motor noise from the zoom. And now we open the screen, and again the fan drops in pitch. So that's a demonstration of the fan noise on the Panasonic TM900 in a fairly quiet environment.